Alright, today I'm working on my Ford Escape. That's a 2001. It is the Cadillac model, the XL. Problem is we have a leaking oil cooler line. So that's the oil cooler right there. And they have nice little routings that go back here, go up to here, and then they plug into a couple places into this tube here, comes up here. So there's a couple things I'm not crazy about on this Escape. One of them is they put electronics right underneath the coolant where the thermostat is, which is right there, and they put your gear selector right underneath that, which, guess what, when you do anything or have some sort of leak, all the coolant likes to collect on top of that. The other thing on this, apparently the oil cooler routing was an afterthought. Now, chances are you don't have an oil cooler if you're like most people with the Escape. But if you have the towing package, you might have this. And if you do, the piping that gets you from here over to that side of the engine looks like this. So here, let me show you so it's not against the back. So it looks like this mess. Why would they put heat resistant coatings over top of this, you might ask? Well, because of this. They put the exhaust manifold runs straight down here and then hooks into that. So let me show you the exhaust manifold, and it lays right against that. So this is the exhaust manifold. Let me give you the right angle. So it goes up against your engine here and then hooks around and then goes into here. So you think, okay, I've got a little leak. Let me show what the little leak looks like, if I can find it. Okay, so this is the tube, and had a little leak in it. As you can see, it's right in there. Yeah, right there. Because it rubbed right up against the exhaust manifold. So, okay, no problem. I'll just take off a tube, simple coolant leak fix. I'll pull that out. Well, you can't get to it. You can't get it from behind the exhaust manifold without taking it off. So that's what I did. In order to get the exhaust manifold, get to those bolts, you have to take out your radiator, which was there. And also, of course, your battery box, which is here. So you have to take all that out to get to this one pipe. And once you get there, then you can put it all back together and hope it doesn't leak again. There was someone a couple people I've seen that just simply bypass the oil cooler. Now, this is acceptable. I probably should have done this based on the mileage of this car, but I bought the replacement part and decided I was determined to put it in. So this is what it takes to put it in. So, good luck with your Escape. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.